Welcome to pCloudy, your continuous testing cloud solution. In this video, we will learn how to access the iOS Tunnel using the pCloudy Desktop Assistant. To start the pCloudy Desktop Assistant on a system running the Mac OS, the user will need to launch the PDA from the command line using the command displayed on the screen. You will then need to enter the details on the authentication page to start the application. These include the registered email address, the cloud URL, and the access key. To view the access key, you will need to log into the platform and hover over the profile and click on Settings. You can then copy the access key and enter the details on the authentication page of the PDA. You can then click the arrow button to start the application. You will then need to choose the iOS Tunnel. Here, you will be able to see a list of available iOS devices that you can choose from. Please note that you will be able to connect to only one device at a time. Once you have selected the device of your choice, you will need to set the duration and select Start Device Tunnel. Once the process is initialized, your device will be booked and a notification will appear. Once the initialization is complete, you will see a success notification on the screen and will also be able to see that the device is listed under the Connected Devices section. You can then go to the Devices page on the platform and view the device listed in the My Bookings section. Click on the Cloud button to connect the device and perform the required testing tasks. You can also verify that the same device is connected on the Xcode application in the Device section. Once you are ready to release the device, you can simply select Disconnect on the PDA or the Platform portal. Additionally, you can add multiple clouds on the PDA. You can simply click on the Add Cloud button in the iOS Tunnel section and enter the respective details. Once the cloud is added, you can switch between the clouds using the Active Logins filter in the PDA. Once you have finished using the PDA, please ensure that your device is disconnected and then close the application. For detailed instructions on using the PDA for iOS Tunnel, you can access the documentation page by following the links mentioned in the description box.